Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of this flush mounted receptacle we're putting outside. Alright, our foam has cured, so you can see it overflowed a little bit. Pull on the box and it's on there nice and tight. Let's cut some of this excess foam out the way. Cut the tie wraps off. Strip this back. Alright, I'm missing one little piece here. Since I'm using a metallic box, I need to use a ground screw to put in that hole right there, so we can bond the box with this ground wire. And I'll be right back. Gotta go to pick one up. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. We already put in our green bonding screw, wired up our outlet, black screw in the hot, silver screw on with the white. Make sure you're on the line side. Now we're gonna close it up.
Eso sale en YouTube. Échale dentro.
There it is. It's all completed. Nice flush outlet outside. Alright guys, leave comments. Please like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.